Welcome to the AnySecura channel. In this video, we'll walk you through how the watermarking and document tracing module works. This is one of AnySecura's core security modules. With this module, you can apply watermarks to screens and printed documents, automatically add watermarks to externally shared files, and even embed invisible watermarks for advanced document tracing. All watermark-related activities are fully logged and can be reviewed at any time, giving your organization complete visibility and auditability. Now, let's take a closer look at each feature and see how to configure them step by step. Before we get into the demos, let's pre-configure 3 watermark templates for later use. You can open the Watermark template window by going to Category Management and selecting Watermark Templates. Let's start by setting up the Screen Watermark template, which is designed for desktop and application-level watermarking. Click on it, then select the Add icon to create a new template. We'll adjust the opacity to balance security and readability, setting it to 75%. Let's also give this template a clear, identifiable name. Now, let's configure the layout of the watermark. To ensure full coverage, I'll select the tile in specified position mode. This will create a repeating pattern across the entire interface, ensuring that any screen capture includes the security trace. Click the Add icon and then choose the watermark type. Here are 3 types of watermarks available: text, image, and QR code. The default option is text watermark. In this window, you can select from watermark content options like IP address, computer group, and date, or even add your own custom text. For this demo, I'll choose IP address, computer group, and alias to be displayed in a tiled format, and add custom text and the current date in the center of the screen. To ensure the watermark is legible, you can adjust the font size here. Now, the Screen Watermark template is ready. Here's a preview of the result. The same steps apply to the Print and File Watermark templates. We'll skip the repeat steps here for simplicity. With all 3 watermark templates configured, let's move on to the next step: applying the policies to activate them. Here, we'll apply the Screen Watermark policy to the marketing department. Select the department, click Watermark, and choose Add to create a new policy. Give the policy a clear name so its purpose is easily identifiable, and then apply the Screen Watermark template we defined earlier. Once the policy is pushed to the endpoints, the watermark will take effect across the selected department. As you can see, the Screen Watermark is now active, displaying the IP address, department, employee name, date, and custom text. While this is applied to the full screen, you can also target specific apps like CAD for precise protection while keeping the rest of your workspace clear. Next, let's look at Print Watermarking. This feature ensures that physical copies of your documents remain secure and traceable. First, select the marketing department to configure their Print Watermark policy. Give this policy a clear name and apply the Print Watermark template we defined earlier. Then, select the applications where this policy applies. For this demo, I'll choose Office software, so any document printed from Word, Excel, or PowerPoint will be protected by the watermark. Let's open a Word document that currently has no watermark. As you can see, The document appears normal before we trigger the print command. Now, let's print this document using a virtual printer and save the printed document to the desktop to inspect the result. Here is the printed document with the watermark applied, confirming that our policy is now in effect. Let's repeat the process with an Excel spreadsheet. As you can see, the original spreadsheet has no watermark. Print this spreadsheet using the virtual printer. As expected, the printed version includes the watermark as well. Next, we'll test PowerPoint. You'll notice that some watermarks are partially covered in the printout. This is because the default template places the watermark in the background layer, and PowerPoint slides are rendered as non-transparent images, overlapping the watermark. To fix this, simply set the watermark template to float above content. This demonstrates the full impact of our print watermarking. Beyond Office, print watermarking supports any application with a print function, from engineering tools like AutoCAD to markdown editors like Typora. It applies to virtual printers as well as local, shared, and network-connected physical printers. Next, let's look at auto watermarking for external sharing. We'll cover two scenarios: sending documents via email and copying them to removable media. I've pre-configured two policies for the marketing department that will trigger automatically whenever a file is shared externally or moved to a USB drive. First, let's verify the watermark effect when sending a file via email. Here's a PDF without a watermark. Now, I'll send it as an email attachment. As the email is processed, the system will automatically detect the external transfer and apply the file watermark policy in the background. Let's check the recipient's email. When we open the attachment, the watermark has been automatically applied, confirming the document was protected when it left the organization. Next, let's test the effect when copying files to removable media. We'll use the same clean document and move it to an external drive. This is the removable media I've already connected to the system. It's ready and waiting for the file transfer. Now that the file has been copied over, let's open it up to see if the watermark was applied. As you can see, the watermark is present, securing the file the moment it was transferred to the removable drive. This is the power of auto watermarking for external sharing. It works beyond email and USB drives, triggering when files are moved to network drives, shared via IM tools like Microsoft Teams and WhatsApp, or even when a file lands on a device. This protection isn't limited to PDFs. It supports images and a wide range of file types. Now, let's demonstrate how to add and extract implicit watermarks. Unlike visible watermarks, these are embedded deeper into the file. I'll show you how to apply them, and more importantly, how to retrieve hidden information if a leak occurs. First, we'll define an implicit file watermark template. Select the document type and add the specific metadata to embed. Next, we'll create a circulation traceability policy specifically for email transfers, followed by a file watermark policy to apply our implicit template. With these rules in place, Any document sent via email will now carry a hidden digital signature for tracking. Now, let's send this clean PDF via email to check if the implicit watermark is successfully embedded during transfer. As you can see, the recipient's attachment shows no visible watermark. To the naked eye, the document appears completely original. Now, we'll download the file and use the extraction tool to retrieve the embedded implicit information. Using the extraction tool, we can now reveal the hidden data within the document. You can clearly see the implicit watermark details, such as the date, computer group, and other identifiers. Furthermore, it provides complete flow information, giving us a full audit trail of how the file has circulated. And that is how the implicit watermark works. Now, I'll show you the watermark logs. This centralized dashboard provides a comprehensive audit trail, allowing administrators to monitor exactly when and where watermarks are being applied across the network. In the logs, you can track exactly who triggered the watermark, their department, the specific document involved, and the applied watermark template. Additionally, if a backup policy is enabled, you can save a copy of the file directly from the log entry for forensic review or recovery. You can also use advanced filtering to quickly search specific watermark logs based on criteria such as date range, user, or file type. This makes it incredibly efficient to audit specific activities or locate a particular event within seconds. Finally, let's take a look at the circulation logs. The key difference here is the depth of visibility. While watermark logs focus on the marking event, circulation logs offer a full history of the document's movement. You can track its entire journey and easily identify the details of its very last circulation point. That concludes our demo of the watermarking and document tracing module. We hope this overview has helped you understand how these features protect your data. Thank you for watching.